We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and related names and some of the most mispronounced ones as well in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you pronounce this name? Well, there are different ways of saying it, depending on your country and each individual really. Now for reference, this is a name commonly used in Russia. In Russian, it is said as Yelena, Yelena, Yelena in Russian. In English though, it is generally said as Yelena, Yelena in English, but some do pronounce it in some regions or countries as Yelena, Yelena, Yelena or Yelena in Russian. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.